I recently got this poly gel extension nail kit. It is Hema-free. The packaging was amazing. Take a look for yourself. It comes with a total of 6 colors and also the nail tip extensions. Here is a nail file that's also included, and here is a layout of the 6 colors. Also has a base coat and a top coat and some solution. This little applicator will help with the nail extension process. All right, it's ready to try this out and use it on my nails. First, I'm going to apply some base coat to my nails. After applying the base coat, you want to go ahead and cure the base coat under a UV LED lamp. Allow that to sit for 60 seconds, and now you're ready to apply your gel for the nail extension process. You want to add a small bead, and then from there press down while using the nail tip. After that, you want to go ahead and lay it underneath the light for 60 seconds, and boom, just like that, you want to snap it off. This was so simple to use, very easy, very beginner friendly. This process is definitely faster than getting your nails done with acrylic nails. I love that the brush was included to help fill in those areas. Once I was done, I went ahead and placed the top coat over the nails and placed them under the curing light. Take a look. Super nice. I thought that this was very easy to use, and overall, if you're looking for a nail extension gel kit, I would definitely recommend, and they have a variety of color options available.